upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. Hi, doll baby. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I have a little wig review on this cute girl. I was inspired to get this wig after I reviewed Lane, and I thought it was a similar style, and I think that it is, but Lane's definitely longer. But let's talk about who we're talking about right now. This is Jackson from Noriko. I have Jackson in the color Iced Mocha R, which means it's a rooted color. Okay. I scooped up Jackson from Wigs.com for $177.99 with 30% off. So let's talk about her. I really love this wig. Of course, I really liked Lane. Not at first, but I really loved Lane. This is a full cap wig, no combs. They do have adjustable straps. They're more of the pull bra straps as opposed to like ones that have any hooks or Velcro. I love this color. This is a sort of silkier texture, but I was easily, as you can see, it's sticking up like this. I was easily able to gruff it up with some dry shampoo. I love the rooted style. I like it. It is giving me a little volume with permatease, but I actually don't mind because I feel like with this style, it does really work. You could really sleek it down if you wanted to. The hairs, because they're really soft and silky, I like them, but they can tend to be flyaway. So I did put some styling cream. Yeah, this Got To Be Shine pomade. It looks like this. So I put this styling cream in and a bunch of hairspray just to make sure like it wasn't in my face and it didn't have flyaways. I'll comb it out so you can see what it can also look like. But let's look at her from the back. Cap is very comfortable. Yeah, I think it does need a little fluff up in the back just to look more natural, because if not, if it's too hugged to the head, I think it looks a bit wagga. Oh yeah. I got a new chair to film in. I've been having some really bad back problems. Normally I stand and I'll like film multiple videos at once, and I'm usually standing, and so I'm not really able to do that as much. So I got this chair from TJ Maxx for my birthday, and I really, do you see that fuzz? I really like it. So it comes with this little like card that tells you that this is a shake and go style. It's really quite easy. You just sort of open it up, you toss it around, and it shows you how to do that. It really didn't take me long to get together. It was more of me messing with it just like for my own preference. But Wig Cap Is Comfortable. It's an average wig cap. I'd say it's definitely an average cap. It's definitely never another one like Lane with this sort of Jennifer Aniston Friends thing, but I really like that, so. No. It does have bendable ear tabs. Look at that. But that's pretty cool. So it can adjust to really like how you want to use it. It is rooted all the way through, so I really like the rooting. So let me comb it out a little bit so you can see how it can fall, because I have it sort of combed back. You know, see, so it does have a bang here. It's not going to come out 100% because I put the pomade in. But you could see how it can look, you know, like this. Yeah, overall, I really like this. Oh my gosh. I think I'm going to do a video with this one, Lane, and there's another one, May, that I think are very similar styles. I just got May, so it's going to be in an upcoming wig haul. So I'm going to review her, but I am going to do a comparison with these styles. So if you want to see that, put that down below. I mean, I'm going to film it. I would be interested to see what they look like side by side. Lane definitely is a little bit longer, but overall these are very similar styles. I really love this color. I think it'll be great, you know, going into spring. And yeah, so I'm really happy with this. Before we go, I've been trying to do this a little bit more on my eyes today. I am wearing Huda Beauty's Mercury Retrograde. I still have like the plastic. Let's just take it off. I don't know why it was still on there. Mercury Mercury Retrograde palette. She looks like this. And I am wearing my favorite lipstick, which is Too Faced, their Peach Comfort Matte. And it's in Sex on the Peach. Looks like that, and it has like little peaches on it. It's my favorite. I think they're actually discontinuing these, so I'm like not happy about it, but it is what it is. I do have one backup. I should get an actual big backup. I have a little backup. Anywho, if you have this wig and you have some thoughts, please put that down below. If there's another Noriko wig that you would like me to review, also put that down below. I'll include my name brand wig playlist so that you can see the wigs that I have reviewed thus far. If you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!